Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna go over gotta deal with that noise all the time. It's just ridiculous. It's like little lawnmowers on steroids. But anyway, we're gonna go over the boat port, and we're gonna go over the new fishing shop. So let me turn you around here. Okay, we finally got the boat port put up. Sorry for the noise. This is just what you got to deal with on a daily basis. Place I'm at right now used to be quiet, but it kind of turned into a damn highway out there. And with the house and everything paid off, I really don't feel like moving. So just put some earplugs in, you can fall back to sleep. But anyway, this is the boat port. This is I believe 12 or 13 by 26, 12 by 26, something like that. Got that all set up, got all insulated up there so it doesn't rain on anything. Got the bass boat in here, fits in here real nice. We're gonna, may see what you do with over there. Gonna put a couple little pegboards up on the side here. Gonna hang up miscellaneous stuff over there. It doesn't fit in any of the other buildings that we have. And yeah, so that's about it for this place. We can move on to the next one. Oh yeah, these cabinets here, they are very old. This rack here is pretty old, and that cabinet up there with the bullet holes in it is definitely old. I came from my grandma's house, and I just wasn't throwing it away. I have an issue with not throwing stuff away. So now let's go into the new fishing shop. Got all our ice fishing gear stuff there. Nice little sign. Got a couple lures on the walls over there. Got some more over here. Got my little custom reserve baits over there. 4 new sneakers for the fishing Tundra. That truck's gonna go through a change this year. New wrap job coming up through. Probably gonna be like some sort of black camo. And gotta get some new lights for it. And yeah, we're just gonna change the look. I did the Fisher-Flage thing since probably 2012 on up. So we're gonna just change the look a little bit. I also have an airsoft channel, so, you know, driving the fishing truck there just doesn't look, to me, it doesn't fit. So if I can get a vehicle that's all wrapped up that matches both channels, that'll be perfect. Now we got a little bit of work back here to do. I'm working on some stuff back here as well. Got all my jerseys that I had over the years. Yeah, it's really cluttered in here right now, but we'll eventually get it straightened out. But as you can see, this little building here, this is a 12 by 25, I believe. This fits my 213.5 Feel Freeze, the 12.5 Moken. Then we have the 10 Moken Light, and then back here we have 2 10 Feel Free lures. And then that one there was my second kayak I ever bought. It was an olive green color, and I decided to turn it into a Tiger Shark. That came from Dunham Sporting Goods, and it was a whopping $275. So that's the shop. That's a quick view of the shop. You'll be seeing this shop a lot more in future videos coming up, especially when I got to work on some things. And yeah, until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.